So it started with this tweet from Vicky. It says, now in the Insider edition, we can copy straight into the Markdown in a notebook. I was like, oh, that's cool. So if you want to, right now, you have to get the Insiders edition. So the Insiders edition is sat on this page. I thought there it is. Yep. Download Insiders build of Azure Data Studio. And it looks like Azure Data Studio. But why not? Let's update it to the latest one. So once you've got Insiders Edition, every day you'll get a new version and a kitten who will be sat on the keyboard. And you can just click that cogs and then it will just update to the latest one. Bingo. We're in the latest one. So we'll let the kernels load. We'll go full screen. Thank you, Seek. See down here, we're starting service. No, wow, AZ data on here. There we go. Yes, I'll do that. But not right now. So just in a normal SQL notebook, you just add text. And the first thing you see is you've got 3 new buttons, your. So you can start typing it in here, but you still have your preview. So if you went back to there, did that, it becomes a heading, or you can look at it just straight in Markdown. There we go. That's how it looks. So that's cool. We get rid of that. Start with, let's start with this. Well, why not? This is the web page to download and install. Let's copy from a web page. So we'll just come down like this. Let's copy that much, Control C, and open text, paste, boof, and then gets like that. Now it looks a bit naff, but that's because I'm in, so F1 theme. Let's use a dark theme. There we go. It looks exactly like the web page. Super simple. If you close, if you close the preview, or if you delete the whole thing, let's do that again. There we go. You close the preview. Now your, that's interesting. There's gone up into big. Now your notebook just has all of the information, all of the links. It's got the code. Then super. That works with websites in light mode as well. Pick a website. blog.robsewell.com, my new place for blogging. You can go down, pick a few, got some code yet? There we go, page in as well. And there we go. Bingo. We've got everything we need. Now, these links from my theme will actually go to an external link. So they're not linking within the notebook, but you could go in and edit that if you wished. There we go, bingo. Now, if you look at the Markdown, you'll see that we're pulling the, oops, let's find an image. There we go. We're pulling these images from the website. Okay, so that's super cool. What about if you've got a OneNote document? Maybe you've got your Git flow descriptions. There we go. So we've got some words and we've got some pictures in here. So if we Control AA that, copy, paste that in, but straight in like this. So again, I think that's super cool. Now you could just got anything you've got in your notebooks, any OneNote run books or whatever, you can just go in, copy, paste, it'll paste straight through. Now, if we look at our markdown here, we're going to see our picture. Our picture has come through as a link through to the file that we've got where the image was created for OneNote. Neat. Excellent. Okay, so now if we go from PowerPoint, so we could just select these from PowerPoint and copy them and then paste them. Straight away, we've got our picture straight up. But this time, you look into Markdown, you'll see it's a base 64 encoded image. So it makes your Markdown a little on the big side, but who cares? Because it looks fantastic, just like this. So we could copy that one instead. There you go. You just copied your slides straight through, straight into your OneNote document. Boof. Nice. Word document. It's got a Word document, got some headings, got some lists. This one doesn't have a picture in it. We will do that. Paste that in. And again, same thing. Now, the Word one, I think, doesn't quite work as beautifully, but it does do the job. So you can just simply copy paste straight in. Okay, so that's straight Azure Data Studio kernels. What about we just do the magic trick and just switch ourselves to Jupyter Notebook kernels? PowerShell 1. Just delete this. And now let's do the same thing. So let's go back to here. There we go. We'll copy that. And we will paste. No difference. Truly awesome. Just go straight through. There you go. All done. Magic. This is running in Jupyter Notebook.NET PowerShell Core. So if we added some code, okay, go up at the top. PS version table, yeah, go away. Bingo, PowerShell Core. Just running like that. But exactly the same thing works. So we can add text cell. Let's add all of this. Poof. There we go. And again, that's all going to be sat as base 64 encoded image. Copying and pasting upgraded in notebooks, it's really easy. And hopefully that helps.